Hello friends, look at this question. The question is x to the power 4 plus 4 is equals to 0 and we have to find all the solutions of this equation. The equation has a variable x with a power 4. It means that there are 4 solutions of this equation. So let's see how we are going to find its solutions. The trick that will apply over here is that we just add and subtract 4x squared on both sides. Let's see what we do. Just add 4x squared and on both sides. Then you can write it as this equation as x to the power 4 plus 4x squared plus 4, and then bring this on here. You will get minus 4x squared is equivalent to 0. Further, you can write x to the power 4 as x squared to the power 2 plus this 4x squared can be written as 2 into x squared into 2, right? And then plus this 4 can be written at 2 squared minus 4x squared. Now, comparing this part of the equation with a identity, that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equivalent to a plus b here whole square. So here a is x squared and b is 2. So you can write it as x squared plus 2 whole square minus 4x squared equivalent to 0. Write it as x squared plus 2 square minus, and this can be written as 2x to the power 2 equivalent to 2. Now another algebraic identity that we can apply over here is a squared minus b squared is equivalent to a plus b into a minus b. So comparing with this equation, a is equals to x squared plus 2 and b is equals to 2x. So you can write this equation as x squared plus 2 plus 2x and x squared plus 2 minus 2x equivalent to 0. Now you can see that there are two possibilities. You can rearrange it like this: 2x plus 2 equals to 0 and x squared minus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now comparing this equation with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we have the quotient of this quadratic term is, that is a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to 2. Now applying the quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac upon 2a, we can find out the two possible values of x of this in this quadratic equation. So put the values that we have got, that is minus b plus minus b squared, that is 2 squared minus 4, a is 1 and c is 2 upon 2 and a is 1. Further you can simplify it: minus 2 plus minus under root, this is 4 minus 8 upon 2. Next you can write it as minus 2 plus minus, this is minus 4 upon 2, and then x is equals to minus 2 plus minus under root 4 under root minus 1 upon 2. Further you can write it as minus 2 plus minus, 4 is a perfect square of 2, so you can write here 2, and under root minus 1 has a value iota, so write it like this. In the next step, just take out 2 common, so you are left with minus 1 plus minus iota upon 2. So x is equals to minus 1 plus minus iota. So these are the two possible values of x. Now considering this equation, that is x squared minus 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now comparing this quadratic equation with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This implies that a is equals to 1, b is equals to -2, c is equals to 2. Now the values of x can be calculated by applying the quadratic formula, that is x minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now put the values, so you get minus 2 plus minus, this is minus 2 square minus 4a and c, and put the value of a here, right? Next you will get here 2 plus minus under root 4 minus 8 upon 2. Further you can simplify it, that 2 plus minus, this is under root minus 4 over 2. Next you can write it 2 plus minus, just split under root minus 4 into 4 and under root minus 1 upon 2. Then x is equals to 2 plus minus, in place of under root 4 write 2, and under root minus 1 has a value iota, and this is upon 2. Just take out 2 common, so you are left with 1 plus minus iota. So the 4 possible solutions of x are, that we can write it as x1 is equals to minus 1 plus iota, x2 is equals to minus 1 minus iota, x3 is equals to 1 plus iota, x4 is equals to 1 minus iota. I hope you understand the question, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.